In this lesson, we will download Git for version control. Version control help us to track changes to our project, source code over time. We can search for Git on Google. Git download. And you can go to this site. I will download for Windows. Download started. Download is complete. Now we can run the installer. Click run. Yes. Then next. And here you can select where you want to install it. I will go by default. Make sure on Windows you select bash. We need to have this tool too. Git bash. Then click next. Then next. Next. Then next. 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 Then click install. After install, we can run git version to print the version of Git. I'm gonna uncheck this one, then click finish. On my command prompt, I will type git --version, and it will give us our Git version that I install. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.